Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we'll look at a small and convenient PT camera that provides a larger monitoring area in spaces that may not support network or power supply cables. This device includes a built-in 4G module that supports all mobile networks and a 5.5 watt solar power panel with a built-in high-capacity lithium battery. Introducing the Dahua 4 megapixel 4G solar power network PT camera. Here's the product box. Its dimensions are 295 millimeters by 277 millimeters by 252 millimeters, and it weighs 2.14 kilograms. This product comes in two main models, 2 megapixel and 4 megapixel. Additionally, these models are compatible with 4G networks in Latin America, while these models are compatible with 4G networks in Europe, Asia, and Africa. Let's unbox, shall we? Here we go. The first thing you'll see is the solar panel with the built-in battery. You'll also find a packet of accessories, which includes the legal and regulatory information booklet, an RG45 waterproof connector, and multiple sets of screws. The box also contains a wall mount and additional camera and solar panel connection mounts. Let's take a closer look at the camera and its features. The 4G Solar Power Network PT camera has a 5.5 watt solar panel with a built-in 10,000 milliamp per hour high-capacity lithium battery. After about 2 days of sunshine, the battery will be fully charged and lasts up to 7 days in sleep mode at the rate of 1 hour remote live view per day. The device supports a 5.4 volt aviation plug for external solar panel connection, a Type-C interface for temporary charging, and an RJ45 network port. However, the camera has a built-in high-performance 4G module suitable for all mobile networks, including GSM, WCDMA, and LET. Two frequency band versions are available as stated before. As I mentioned, the 4G Solar Power Network PT camera offers 2 megapixel and 4 megapixel for high quality images. It's equipped with smart dual illuminators, 2 IR lights and 2 warm lights, which help the camera display clear images in full color and capture videos of critical events. The PIR sensor, combined with the human shape filter function, can reduce false triggers and help preserve longer battery life. The camera provides a built-in 2 watt high-power speaker and microphone, which supports two-way talk and can act as an active deterrent. It supports a 512 gigabyte micro SD card max, which meets the requirements for large storage capacity. This camera may seem very different to the 4G Solar Power Network camera. If you haven't seen the video yet, check it out after this one. But one of the main differences is that this camera can use a PT function to expand your monitoring area whenever you want. Another difference is the split type bracket, so you have more flexibility in adjusting the angle of the solar panel. The Dahua 4G Solar Power Network PT camera is ideal for orchards, fish ponds, small reservoirs, and other locations inconvenient for electric power distribution networks. Overall, the 4G Solar Power Network PT camera is a self-sufficient device that broadens the monitoring area and provides more flexibility. This device expands the possibilities for security and surveillance in areas where network and electrical wiring isn't accessible. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.